Welcome back. Cisco shares are up 8% in a month. Options traders piling into that name as Pete Najarian has found at the telestrator with unusual activity. Pete.
Yeah, this one's pretty good, Scott. Now, what they're looking at are probably staring at this chart and thinking, you know what, maybe there's a revisit to somewhere up in this sort of a region, because what we're seeing today is some very large buying. Now, for the last couple of weeks, I've been telling you everything is very short term. Again, this one's very short term. You can see they bought 7,400 of these February calls, but these are not the full February expiration cycle. These expire a week from Friday, so be very, very careful. They're very inexpensive, 3 cents. They bought about 7,400 of these. How do you not take a little bit of a shot on something like this? This is something where, does Cisco move even in front of their earnings, which actually come after these will expire? I think that's one to keep an eye on. I like that. Very inexpensive shot to the upside if that were to happen. I got one more for you. Now, John's talked about Amarin a couple different times on this show. I wrote it down here. Take a look at where this thing is right now. Just since January, on the 8th, they were buying these calls right about here with the stock about 14. On the 10th, they were buying these calls when it was somewhere near here. On the 17th, they were buying February 18 calls. Stock was around 17. And today, they're buying the January that expire Friday, 2 days from now, Friday, the 18 strike calls with the stock just below. At the time, it was trading about 17.60, Scott. So buying these calls, it was costing them around 60 cents. Those are some nice big chunks that we've been seeing of late. That was 3,000. Now you can see where it is now. So a lot of aggressive buying in here. This is one of those names where I think maybe it gets another push to the upside. They've been right so far.